Daddy silly.
Hey guys, I'm back with another autovox dashcam. If you remember the autovox D6 Pro that I reviewed probably nearly a couple of years ago now, which was a very good dashcam with superb image quality. But now we have the Aurora dashcam. Pretty sure that's how it's pronounced. It's £111 on Amazon, but there is the 10% off voucher that you can apply at checkout. So this is the packaging. Let's open up the box. Thank you for choosing our dashcam. So now you get manuals. And these clever little things. I can't remember what they're called, but it is a plastic, like an acetate. You stick to the windscreen, and then the dashcam sticks to that. Looks really smart. autovox. Okay, so here it is. It can record the back and the front, so it will record inside and outside. Let's take this off. That's lovely. Round to the front, let's take that off, this off. So let's get a closer look at that on the camera. It's like a brushed metal finish there near the lens, the autovox logo. We also have GPS built into this. So I'm assuming that is the GPS sensor. So as your night vision, your parking mode, G sensor as well. It does have a Sony sensor on this device. Underneath there we have the control buttons. Let's navigate through the menu. There are clicky buttons there. Along the side we have micro SD card slot, and we have the power on button there. Don't think there's any juice in it. Oh, there is a tiny bit of juice in there. Please insert SD card. And on this side here we have speakers, and on the side of the GPS module we have a micro USB port. So that's going to be charging and powering the dashcam. We're going to have a bag of goodies in here. So we've got the usual, you get a 3M sticker. That's got to stick to that plastic acetate. We have the little clips for tidying the cables around the car. And of course we have the in-car charger, micro USB. Plenty of length on that. Let me get a little tool here. A plastic pry tool, I'd imagine. And there we go. So this dashcam has the Novatech processor. It can record up to 1440p as well. Aperture of f1.8. Has emergency locking function as well. And obviously also the built-in GPS. That's it. It looks great. Designed really well. Love the design. Let's go and install it and see how it performs. Before that, I'm going to apply the acetate. You get two 3M stickers there, so you have a spare. Okay. Next task is to peel this off. Okay, now we apply this handy little tool. There's a guideline there. You can see the dotted square, which will fit nicely around that 3M sticker. So let's stick this on here. So that's squarely fitted. The dots do match the 3M sticker stuck onto the GPS module. Now, just need to peel this off and put it onto the windscreen. And we have some power. Okay. So now we need to peel this off. So it's recording already. We just need it central. I think that's about it. out there. So I'm happy that's in there. We can still adjust this, just need to tighten that up now. So that's the camera now fully installed. Stickers securely on the windscreen, it's not budging. The mount is nice and tight. I'll say tight, let's have a look. That's it. It's in 1080p dual mode at the moment, so it's the front and the rear. The camera is just there. Yeah, it's looking good. Wide dynamic range is also enabled.
Ruby.
The little one?
No, the big one.
Is Ruby in your class?
No.
So how do you know Ruby then?
She told me her name.
Ah.
And she already knew my name when I didn't tell her.
Oh really?
Yeah. But she wasn't in my class when I was like 4.
Oh really?
No.
To Maisie School Woodlands, yeah?
No.
Didn't she?
No.
Smart, you're on camera, mate. Like you're on camera.
Didn't you used to have a sticky thing that sticked up there?
Yep, I did.
I remember that.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Jaden's home. Cheers. Bye bye. The first window.
And we don't
Ah,
get
ah,
food
ah, ah.
first. We get food last.
There we go. Payment time. Okay, yeah. Lovely, thanks. Cheers. Drive off a bit further. Now we've got to wait here.
And then the window's just back.
Yep. Hello, mate. What's that? So there's your milkshake there. Bay 1, yeah, alright, cheers. That is fault. But you got hold of the drinks, yeah?
Oh.
Yeah? Oh, boom.
Oh no.
Oh. Yeah?
You have to hold on.
I'll hold on when I can around the tight corners.
Ah.
That's alright, don't worry. You just worry about the drinks, don't worry about the dips. We're moving.
Now we're moving
Hold
along.
on. Hold on to your drinks.
Hold on, alligator. I just need to go fast. Alligator. So we can get home and eat our garden. Mommy must be home by now.
Okay, so night vision time. Got the inside of the car and the outside of the car. There's infrared in here as well. I can see the infrared lights. Okay, let's have a look at the night vision then. So it's pitch black where we are. And the lights just popped on. Security light outside. Okay. Put it around here. There we go. Bless me. Jeez. Okay, I've turned the internal camera off. Switched it to 60 frames per second now. In night mode. the screen it says QHD P30. So I'm assuming that's quad HD, 30 frames per second. Been to see the Joker. Absolutely brilliant. Blown away. So let me show you some footage then. We'll make a second one. So one thing I did forget to cover earlier on is that the GPS module is removable. So obviously you have to use the Dashcam with the GPS module, and it's magnetic, and there's 5 metal contacts there as well. They go in there. Easy. So the magnet helps fix it down as well, and it's very secure. So with this autovox Aurora Dashcam, I think you're getting a very, very good, solid, well-performing Dashcam. The footage, my most favourite is probably the 1080p 60 frames per second. It is a lot smoother, and you'll get better results with that night mode as well. I love the dual camera, the front and the rear, which can only use 1080p at 30 frames per second. So at the minute it's 1080p at 60 frames per second there on the screen. When you turn the other camera on, it switches back to 1080p dual, and that's at 30 frames per second. Yeah, but when using the rear camera and the front camera, there's night vision mode on the front as well. You see the lights come on when it's dark, and again the quality is very, very good. Night vision on the rear of the camera, the main camera, the bread and butter of the Dashcam. I thought the night shots were really good as well. Obviously the street lights do assist with that, but it did seem to be okay in pitch black as well. Obviously the headlights and stuff do help. So the user interface is pretty simple. Record, dual camera, file, so you can check your files, your videos, pictures, locked files and parking files. So if your camera's kicked in while in parking mode. Settings, you have 2 settings. You have general settings and you have video settings. So you can set resolution, loop recording, dual cam display. Wide dynamic range, which I must add has been on at all times. Record audio, a date stamp, and the G sensor, which I think that's been medium. Yes, it has. That normally kicked in when I've shut my door of my car. It might record a minute or so of that. Didn't pick up any other bumps or anything because no one bumped into my car. Screensaver, date, time, beep sound, language, parking monitor, which has been on as well. Frequency, infrared light, that's been on, and format, default settings and firmware. That's pretty much it. Really easy to use. GPS signal is there. Look, you can see it's on. I'm indoors as well. It's got a good signal. You can see at the top you have a battery indicator, microphone, parking mode, WDR, which is wide dynamic range. And at the moment it's on dual camera. If we click that, it goes back to normal 1080p at 60 frames per second, which I did have it in originally. But yeah, this Dashcam's been very good. I really liked their previous one that I reviewed a couple of years ago. That was really good. And this is pretty much the same, even better. It's got the GPS module there as well. Really easy to install. Good quality video. Night vision's good. And it's dual camera as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any comments, please post them below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.